Hi everybody, good evening. I'm doing the key card number 3. Number 3 is was out in which date is this one? Date number 12, and you know it's day 12 because when you go to the last task it tell you what balance shift and number. So look at for an entry and open door. Now I'm not doing this room, so you can of course you need to start it. For the entrances we're going straight to the 5000. We have this, and then the login, it's 111 110, and then we have tester now, and we can transfer, for example, to the account 111 and not 111. So let me transfer, for example, $200. Then it go there and it said to me transaction. Then if you take this one, this transaction number, because it's why it's so random like that, and you go to there, and if you check, it says it's an MD5. Interesting, it's an MD5 number. So if I go to GoBuster, and you GoBuster directory and check what's inside there, so you can see there's a login, logout, dashboard, console. I spent time lost here in console because I thought there's something else, the pin story, but it's not. We have a transfer, we have a reset, we have transaction. This transaction is very important. If I go now, for example, transaction and without an ID, and I just not as I was doing something else, it set you transaction ID required, so you assume there is an ID there, so you can say ID equal 1 or something, but we can't say 1. For example, if I took the same number, it said executed $200 and this. So basically this, it's transaction ID, and our transaction ID is account number 110, transaction ID is 1338. So you can say, is there any information we can go up? Because remember the hint what it said. The hint it's saying when balance shift and number, so look for an entry and open door. So if this one is the one I just did now, 338, so you can play around this number and say, let me go the next one, the one before or something. And if you want to make things automatic, I'm not doing burp because burp, the free version, it will be slow. It only do 3 rounds, 30 30 30 30. So we'll do better faster option. We can go with wasp zap. Let me start it. Because burp, the free version, it will take long to do this thing. So let's the zap, we can do it like 2000 5000 entry very quick. So let's do that. Start. No, I don't want an update now. No, I don't want an update. So if I go now and I just let me activate the proxy, refresh the page quickly, then if I go there I can see, where is it? We have this, of get ID, the request is there. So if I highlight this and just right click and say fuzz this, then I can say payload, add. I just do numbers. Let's assume it's not too far. Let's do from 1 to 2000 transaction for the sake of argument. Because we have an MD5, so we need to add the process. Click process. You can add not URL crowding. You can do MD5 hash. You can click preview, you can see the MD5, and done. then you click start. That's why I'm using OZAP, because it doesn't, like the web free version doesn't go far. It will take 30 around and you wait for it. So it's finished. We can see size response. I click a response there. So let's go to that. So we have this once. We go now to response. This is the $200 we did. This one is another one. This is another one. This is another 25,000. This is not that's a record. Now this one interesting. We have, this is an MD5. Base 64. We can confirm here. Let's remove this. And it say hi, makes a secret, and it give us the where you find the cards. So the card will be 5,000. Put there, and we have the T3. So the T3, the key of it is always the animation. Don't go too much. Like I spent time in the console without forgot about the transaction. So you have the transaction, and that's it. So that's the card, guys. So hope you like it. Thank you very much, and have a good day.